I'm gonna buy flowers to my friend Claudia, and then when we arrive, do you want to marry me? Hey guys, this is Marta, and we're in Milan Fashion Week, and today I have Todd's show, and you guys are gonna come along. Wait, let's do it again. Buongiorno. It's okay here. I'm from Milan. I was born and raised here, and I started modeling when I was 8, and when I was like 14, I went to San Magistris in Milan and I went to Elite. I signed with them, and last year I made my debut. Cheers. So my debut was Burberry. My agent from London, shout out to Katie. She was like, Burberry has like interest in you. So I went there, did the casting, and at like 4 a.m. we did the final fitting. At like 7 a.m. I got the confirmation mail, and at like 9 I had to be like in central London to do the show. So it was like a hectic day. After Burberry, Anita Bitton got me for Bottega. It was great, it was my debut in Milan. And then I flew the next day to Paris. In Paris, I had the pleasure to open Dries van Noten. And then I did Valentino after it. And then I went to Paris to do the couture, and I did Dior and Chanel. 1 year ago, we would be like screaming if you knew that I did like Dior and Chanel. Like in Paris sometimes, just like in London, I struggle to find like good like flowers. And here, they're just like amazing. 3 di questi fiori. I like this one, like peach one. It's nice. Yeah. These are for you. But... When I'm walking in the runway, I think about putting like my shoulders back and like make my walk look good. But sometimes, because I see people like in the audience that I recognize, and this makes me laugh, I try to think about like some like sad moments of my life or just like me crying. So like I get like my face look like so I'm walking now. So we're at the location of the show. I'm about to head like to her makeup, and I'll see you guys later. See ya! It was fun. It was so hot. Warm clothes, so like the warm cast for the fall winter of Todd is past. Thank you guys for spending the day with me, and thank you Lee for this opportunity. Right now I think I'm gonna grab a coffee with a friend. So see ya guys.